into it. I manipulated the bracket just a little bit using my Nipex and got the hole to line up pretty nicely. I haven't done up the clamp down here yet. Everything sits really nicely. Bolt came with the bolt and nut came with a nice spring washer and a flat washer to go in there. So that's going on. Then I'm going to do this guy up. Hope this video is not too boring. These things tend to be a little bit that way. Watch it on ×2. There you go. And then I've got to put the... cuts an amazing amount of crap off the bike. One thing I don't like though is that these loops in the passenger peg foot pegs, mostly these loops here are going to look really rubbish just sitting there. I mean, most people aren't going to notice them. I could cut them off the frame, but cutting bits and pieces off the frame isn't really ever a great thing. Anyway.